The spectrum analyzer mode will probably be our main mode of operation. The scanning rate is just 60 milliseconds, regardless of the span or frequency selected. When we move the joystick up or down, we are accordingly changing the reference level in the vertical axis. When we move the joystick left or right, we accordingly move so along the frequency band. On the top right corner of the screen, we can see a green square. Every time I press the joystick, the validate button, the letters within the square will change from FR, meaning that we are changing the frequency when we're moving the joystick left or right, to SP, meaning that we are changing the span when moving the joystick left or right. If I press it again, it will change back to FR. What we can see now on the screen is the RF content received by a satellite dish in Barcelona. A very important feature of the HD Ranger meters is the Stealth ID, which means that the meter will automatically demodulate any TV RF channel just by placing the main marker on its central frequency. In the low center part of the screen center frequency is shown. In the low left side, you can see whether the analyzer locked to the digital signal or not. If it managed to demodulate the signal, the message MPEG-2 TS locked will appear. In the low right part of the screen, we can see the span selected.